Checkpoint one. Checkpoint one. Good luck. There are 6 digits in this number. I'm working with these digits. They are mixed up. You can think of it like a puzzle. What's the number going to be? There are going to be 6 place values. Do you know what those place values are if there are 6 digits? The first one's ones. Write down the others. Tens. I'm hearing it. Can you do the next one? And finally, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. When I read the next clue, the 8 is in the hundreds place. Where's the hundreds place? The 1 is in the 10,000s place. Now these other numbers here, where do they go? Well, the place value of the 9 is 10 times greater than the place value of the 4. The 4 is somewhere over here, the 9 is somewhere over here. The 9 is 10 times greater than the place value of the 4. Place values are 10 times greater. What's 10 times greater than 1? 10. What's 10 times greater than 10? 100. What's 10 times greater than 1,000? It's 10,000. Trust me. Every time you move 1 time to the right, it's 10 times greater. The 9 is 10 times greater than the 4. Well, these numbers are already mixed, put right into the place values. I know that the hundreds, if I times it by 10, I can get thousands. I need 2 place values that are right next to each other because the 9 is 10 times greater than the 4. That's my help I'm giving you for this clue. The place value of the 6 is 10 times greater than the place value of the 1. Well, there's the 1. What place value is 10 times greater? 10,000 times 10. What place value is that? I hope that's good enough help. What is the place value of each digit you wrote in question 1? I haven't given you these values, but how would I do the value of 800? If I pull out the 8, what's the 8 in standard form? I can write zeros for every other place value after it. The 8 is equal to 8 hundredths, or you can write out the value of it in standard form. That's the same thing. Take a look at the next question. Three friends wrote a number. The value of which digit in Stephanie's number is 10 times greater than the same digit in Amanda's number? Amanda's number, Stephanie's number. We're talking about digits that are the same. Which digits are the same? Let's see, the 2 here and the 2 here. 3 here and the 3 here. 6 here and the 6 here. Anything else the same? So what I'm seeing here is a 2 in Amanda's number and a 2,000 in Stephanie's number. That's 2 in the thousands place. I see a 6,000 in Amanda's number and a 60,000 in Stephanie's number. I see a 3 what? 3 10 or 30 in Amanda's number, and I see 300,000 in Stephanie's number. Which digit is, when I multiply 10 to one of these numbers, I'm going to get this number over here. If I multiply 10 times 2, will I get 2,000? If I don't, the 2 digit is wrong. It's not the 2 digit. If I multiply this number by 10, will I get 60,000? If I multiply this number by 30, will I get 300,000? Remember, the ones place and the tens place have a relationship. The tens place is 10 times bigger. Or you can think of the ones place as being 10 times smaller. Same thing if I talk about the hundreds place. If I multiply 10 by 10, I'm going to get 100. If I divide 100 by 10, I'm going to get 10. This is a relationship that they have with one another. We're working on it in 5th grade as well. It's huge. Try to get it down. What is the value of 2 in Carly's number? The value of 2 in Carly's number is 10 times greater than the value of 2 in which friend's number? What's the 2 in Carly's number? Carly's number is 5,629. Let's pull that 2 out. The value of the 2, which is 20, in Carly's number is 10 times greater than the value of the 2 in which friend's number? What times 10 is 20? Whatever that is, which friend has that value? Finally, select each number that has a 9 that is 10 times the value of the 9 in 917. Here's that number. What is that 9? If I pull that 9 out, it's 900. So I'm looking for, select each number that has a 9 that is 10 times the value. 900 times 10 is, whatever that value is, is that value in these numbers? When I see the number 9,170, what's that 9 valued at? It's 9,000. Is that my product here? If so, that's one of my answers. I have the number 1,945 here. What's the value of that 9? If I pull it out, it's in the ones, tens, hundreds spot. Or I can pull that 9 out and add zeros in every other place value. 900 times 10, does it equal 900? If not, cross it out. Hope that helped you on checkpoint 1. Good job.